So if you do have on-premise infrastructure, security is still a big concern. We want to establish, within Azure, there's things like Azure Arc that allows us to give, visibility onto resources outside of the Microsoft environment, right? We want to intrinsically stop thinking Microsoft is this, or Azure is this bubble where we don't have peering abilities to other aspects of my organizations. For example, if I am multi-cloud or I am on-premise or hybrid, I want to understand that Azure has the capabilities to scale out into these different parts of the organization to really understand, all right, what am I protecting? How am I going to apply Defender for Cloud to those resources? I'm going to use something like Azure Arc. For example, you'll see commonly now, if organizations are doing this correctly with Defender for Cloud implementations, they are not going the tried and true method of deploying an agent on a server and then getting that data ingested into Defender portal. They're going to use the Azure Arc methodology, where you deploy Azure Arc agent onto the on-premise servers. Then you apply the Defender for Cloud subscription to monitor that resource, and you build the infrastructure around that resource, right? So it allows Azure to be a single pane of glass when it comes to monitoring all of my resources on-premise or within the cloud. So I want to highlight that is super important when it comes to deploying Defender for Cloud for a lot of organizations.